Hey there. Looking to shed some weight quickly and effectively? Let's dive into the world of intermittent fasting, specifically the 16/8 method. So what's the 16/8 method? Simply put, you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. This means you can still enjoy 3 decent meals, but in a smaller time frame. For example, if you have your first meal at 12 p.m., you'll have your last meal by 8 p.m. Now let's talk about what to eat. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Think lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu. Fill up on veggies like spinach, broccoli, and bell peppers. Add healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil. And don't forget whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. Keep it balanced and colorful. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas and black coffee are also great options during your fasting window. But what about snacking, Itasen? Stick to healthy snacks like fruit, nuts, or Greek yogurt. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. They'll sabotage your progress. Remember, consistency is crucial. Stick to your eating window every day. And listen to your body. If you feel overly hungry or fatigued, adjust your plan. Exercise is your friend. Incorporate regular physical activity, whether it's a daily walk, a gym session, or yoga. It'll boost your results and improve overall health. So, can you lose 10 kilograms in a month with intermittent fasting? Absolutely. But remember, everyone's body is different. Stay committed, be patient, and celebrate your progress. Got questions or need more tips? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and fitness content. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.